Hello and happy 4th of July, my friends. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today I'm going to share with all of y'all a barbecue side dish classic, Southern macaroni salad. And my friends, this dish is full of flavor, simple and easy to make, and as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. This will be perfect for your summer barbecues and picnic and for your 4th of July menu. Everybody will be going back for seconds. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my other summer barbecue side dishes and my previous video, Rainbow Cupcakes. I'll post a link to all of those down below in the description box. So grab your elbow macaroni, your vegetables, and your seasoning sugar, because we're about to make some macaroni salad magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is cook our pasta. I have a large pot of water boiling. I'm going to add in some salt. Very important to season the water to help season the pasta. And we're going to add in a pound of elbow macaroni. Give this a quick stir so that way our macaroni doesn't stick. So we're going to cook the pasta according to the package directions about 6 minutes. And while that's cooking, we're going to get started on our dressing. In my large bowl, I have 1 1/3 cups of Miracle Whip, or you can use mayonnaise. And we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. 3 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish, and I drained the juice. 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. And the vegetables, I have 2 stalks of celery, 1 shallot, and a half of red bell pepper chopped. Going to give this a quick whisk until it's well incorporated. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish stirring my dressing, and then I'll drain my elbow macaroni and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through stirring up the dressing. Now it's time to add in our last few ingredients. I will cook macaroni, and I rinsed it to stop the cooking process. And over here in this bowl, I have 1 cooked chicken breast that I diced. And all we do is stir all these ingredients together until they're well incorporated. Look at those colors. This looks gorgeous. And off camera, I added in some salt and pepper to the dressing. Alright my friends, so all we do now is put it in the refrigerator, and we're going to let it chill for 2 hours so all the flavors can marinate, make some love with each other. Alright, I'll see you in 2 hours. Alright my friends, there you have it, Southern macaroni salad. And I garnish it with some fresh parsley flakes. Don't that look beautiful and delicious? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Grab me some chicken, some pasta. Look at that. The pasta is tender and the chicken's moist. And I love that crunch from the vegetables and the dressing. Has great balance of flavor. Yum-o. This macaroni salad is spectacular, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. Macaroni salad-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram, or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, stay safe, and happy 4th of July.